M&M's. Microwave. M&M's in the microwave. What will it do? M&M's 30 seconds in a microwave. Check them after 10. No change. No change. Can't even tell. Well, it was 30 seconds. Ooh, I hear it sizzling. What are they doing? Ew. A little longer? Yeah. All right. M&M's in the microwave. Some got little cracks in them. Can you see? Can you see the cracks like this one right here? This one here's got a crack in it. See the crack? Melt in your mouth, not in your hand. How would you like some hot M&M's?